Hey guys, it's me, ArayliaJS, and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out my car. Well, I'm just going to be washing it. My dog's out. Say hi. Say hi, Ford. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to be washing my car today. I'm going to be cleaning the inside separately instead of showing that because it's a little bit more non-interesting. But yeah, I'm gonna be washing my car today, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Forward, let go. Look at how dirty this water is. It's so gross. Okay, you guys, so I just got finished cleaning out my car and cleaning and washing it. And it's finally done. With the pollen so bad, it's probably not gonna last that long. Hey, Ford. Get down, get down. Nope, you're all wet. But yeah, it's been a year of having this car, and we've had our ups and our downs. And I am loving driving it. It's super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!